Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Ranswarto,
My name is Muhammad Fenaristio.
and in this project, we made a SQL administration configuration in Bimble F1 database. So in this project, we manage and config Bimble F1 database, such as user accounts and roles, backup and restores, and also replication. These are schematic diagram of the database that we use on this project. So as shown here, we will show the schematic diagram on the SQL server. So in this schematic diagram, we have several tables like class, subject, exam, student, teacher, and shift. Each of table have a column such as class subject, class ID for class subject, exam code, subject, and etc. These tables are paired with primary key and foreign key, each for them. So it all configured. Next is user accounts and roles. For this database, we have created three accounts and roles. The first is admin, Bimble F1, second teacher, third student. For admin, have been granted DB creator and disk admin. As you can see here right here, admin Bimble F1 have been granted a DB creator and disk admin server roles. It means admin Bimble F1 can create, alter, drop any database and managing these files in the database. The second is teacher. Teacher have access exam and student table for update, insert, delete, and alter. With the remaining table, the teacher can only use select function. As you can see here, the teacher have only access exam, delete, insert, and update. All the remaining only granted for select. The third is student. Student have granted only a select function for all the tables in the database. So the student can only see what is in the database, such as a data in the database. He cannot alter, drop, or any tables or data in database.
Backup and restore database. Backup database is a copy of the server data and is critical for database administration and maintenance. And restore is the process of using a database backup to recover a failed database. Now open Microsoft SQL Server. The have database is Bimble F1. Click right, text, and backup. Mm. In a database is the find your database of your backup. This is Bimble F1, and by backup type is full and different. This full is your backup all data in the database, and destination your at for your location in a backup. This is an file name. You have a file name. Bimble F1, and the extension is the back. Okay, okay, and okay. And database is a successful do your backup. Now we restore a database. Before you restore the database, your delete no database or your PC. Now the database. Click right and restore database. And the source is device. Check and add and find your database to your restore. And okay, and okay, and the restore your database is success. Okay. Is your database to backup and restore. Thank you.
Next is replication. So what is replication? Database replication is the frequent electronic copying of data from a database in one computer or a server to a database in another, so that all users share the same level of information. In the first step of configuring the replication, we will configure the distributor. In the left picture is the first step in the wizard, and the right picture is the end of the wizard. So we'll go to the demo. Go to server and choose replication, right click on it, and choose configure distribution. In the welcoming wizard, choose next. We will choose RACBR server as its own distributor. So next, and we will choose this by default for snapshot folder. Next, and I will let's say test rep. So this is for the distribution database name, test rep. For these two, we will choose by default. So next, this is the publisher, RHBM server, and this is the distribution database name, test rep, and go next. Check the configure distribution, next, and this is the end of the wizard. Click finish, and the process will going. Wait, okay, success. So we have done configuring the distribution. Check close. Next is publishing database for application. As shown in the left picture, the publication type we choose is transactional publication. So this means that this publication process runs with two different servers. In our case, one server with two instances, where if server 1 updates the data, the server 2 will also change the contents of the data in real time. So why we choose these types of publication is because when the teacher wants to update the exam scores immediately, so this publication will be useful because the student will see the changes in real time. Next, the right picture is article wizards, and next is snapshot agent. We will choose a create snapshot in immediately, and then the snapshot agent security we will use my account RHBMR admin, and this is the end of the wizards. So we will go to the demo. Go to server, replication, expand replication, and choose local publication. Right click on it, new publication. In the welcoming wizard, click next. The database, choose Bimol F1. So this is publication type. We choose transactional publication as I said before. So the table I want to use is all the tables. So the object we want to publish is tables in my case. Next, this is next filter table rows. If you want to edit, just click here. Next, this snapshot agent, we will check the create snapshot immediately. Click next, and then for the snapshot agent, click security settings. In my case, this is my domain, and this is my account. Oh sorry, Archer BMR. So the password, given the password, input the password. Confirm password, same password as above. Okay, for connect to the publisher, we will choose by impersonating the process account. Okay, click next, check the create publication, and choose the publication name you want. In my case is review, Bimbel F1 review for the publication name. Click finish, and we'll execute the process. Okay, we have done configure the publication. Click close and check the local publication, refresh, and you see here the local publication have been made. In the third step of replication, we're going to subscribing to a publication. As shown in the left picture, at the publication wizards, we're going to choose Bimbel F1 review as we have made before. And next, going to distribution agent location, we're going to choose our server, which is RACBMR server. Next, agent security, we will input it as same as before. And last is in the end of the wizards. Okay, let's go to demo, go to server, expand replication, right click on local subscription, and click new subscription. In the welcome wizard, click next. In the publication, we choose Bimbel F1 review as we have made before. Okay, next. In the distribution agent location, we choose our server, which is RACBMR server. Next. As subscribers, we add another instance. This is another instance, which is a second RACBMR for our subscribers. Connect. Subscription database, we made a new database. Give it a name, Bimbel F1. Click OK. Next, for connection to subscriber, input local domain. In my case, this is ArcherBMR and account. Input the password. Okay, for connect to the subscribers, just by impersonating the process account. Next. Okay, just run continuously. Next. Click verify that checkbox initialize is checked. Okay, next. Create the subscription. Next. Okay, this is the summary. Click finish. It will execute the process. Wait, okay. We've done creating the subscription. Click close. So we'll check here in our database. Click refresh. Expand Bimbel F1 and expand tables. In the last step of replication, we're going to testing replication of data between servers. So as shown in the left picture, in the first column of class name, we're going to see a private F1 PH. So we're going to testing it with the update query. So we're going to update data class where the class name is going to set up to private F1 demo. So below the query, we're going to see the picture of in the first column in the class name. This has been changed to private F1 demo. So we're going to demo it. So go to server. Let's check verify first that the data class still PH. Yes, it is still PH, like here. And we're going to execute the query. Oh, sorry, we're going to change it to demo. Okay, going to execute it. One row affected. Close it and let's verify that it has been changed. Okay, it has been changed. So this is from a main server. So let's go to under another server, which is second RACBMR. We're going to verify it. Select top 1000. So it is a private F1 demo. Series is the same as the main server. So it is the testing has been successful.